The topic is varnish or varnishing. The term varnish is used to indicate the solution of resins or resinous substances prepared either in alcohol, oil or turpentine oil. Resins are resins means binders. Resins should be natural or artificial. So varnish is a mixture of resins and alcohol or turpentine oil. The objects of varnish of applying on a wooden surface. First object is it brightens the appearance of the grain in wood. Second, it renders brilliancy to the painted surface. Third object of varnish is it protects the painted surface from atmospheric actions. Fourth is it protects the unpainted wooden surface. This varnish is directly applied on unpainted wooden surface, applied on painted surface or unpainted wooden surface. Protect the unpainted wooden surface of door, windows, roof, trusses, floors, etc. from the action of atmospheric agencies. There are some characteristics of an ideal varnish. Characteristics are: first, it should render the surface glossy. This is the first characteristic or property or quality. And second property is it should dry rapidly and present a finished surface which is uniform in nature and pleasing in appearance. Third is the color of varnish should not fade away when the surface is exposed to the atmospheric actions. The protecting film developed by varnish should be tough, hard and durable. Next is it, it should not shrink or show cracks after drying. There is no shrinkage cracks. Now ingredients of a varnish. Following are the ingredients of a varnish. First is resins or resinous substances or binders. Second, dryers, and third, solvents. Three ingredients of varnish. Based on resins, some types of varnish. Depending upon the solvent, which solvent used, depending upon the solvent, the varnish are classified into the following four categories. Four types of varnish. First, oil varnish. Second, spirit varnish. Third, turpentine varnish, and fourth is water varnish. According to quality. First varnish is oil varnish. In oil varnish, solvent used is linseed oil. These all types of varnish are based on solvents, on the basis of solvent. Which solvent we used? The linseed oil is used as solvent in this type of varnish. The hard resin such as amber and copal are dissolved in linseed oil. And if the varnish is not workable, a small quantity of turpentine is added for increasing the workability. The oil varnish dries slowly but they form hard and durable surface. Or this is the superior type of varnish. This type is superior type oil varnish. Produce hard and durable surface. Second is spirit varnish. Spirit means methyl alcohol. So obviously solvent used is methyl alcohol or methylated spirit. The methylated spirit of wine are used as solvent in this type of varnish. The spirit varnish dry quickly, but they are not durable and are easily affected by weathering action. Spirit varnish used for furniture, and in this category, a example is French polish. Third type of varnish is turpentine varnish. The turpentine is used, or turpentine oil is used as solvent in this type of varnish. The resins adopted are of soft variety, such as gum damer, mastic, and rosin. These varnishes dry quickly and they are not durable and tough as oil varnish. Oil varnish is superior type of varnish. Fourth is water varnish. In this varnish, the material used is resins used is the shellac. The shellac is dissolved in hot water, and enough quantity of either ammonia or borax or potash or soda is added, such that shellac is dissolved. So this is the water varnish, and this type of varnish, in this type water varnish is inferior type of varnish, and they used for maps, pictures, for lamination purpose. These are the some types of varnish and objects of varnish and properties of varnish. Thank you.